Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable charcoal grills for camping in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. When it comes to grilling, there's no substitute for a classic Weber kettle. The Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill is designed for those who want the perfect backyard barbecue. This grill is made with heavy-duty porcelain enameled steel and features a rust-resistant aluminum ash catcher. The 22-inch diameter cooking grate provides plenty of space for cooking up your favorite food, and the built-in thermometer makes it easy to monitor the temperature. The legs are made of durable steel for stability, and the air vents allow you to control the amount of airflow for perfect grilling. When you're done, the easy-to-clean design makes cleanup a breeze. Do you love hosting backyard BBQs? Make your burger-making process easier with the Weber Burger Press. This press can make up to 13 burgers at a time, so you can spend more time enjoying your party. The built-in lid thermometer lets you keep an eye on your burgers as they cook. The rust-resistant aluminum dampers and porcelain enameled lid and bowl retains heat so you can cook your burgers to perfection. The one-touch cleaning system with high-capacity ash catcher provides hassle-free ash cleanup. The lid hook prevents you from having to place the lid on the ground. The cooking grate is hinged for easily adding charcoal while grilling. Get the perfect burger every time with the Weber Burger Press. Number 2. Our second best pick is Char-Griller AKORN Kamado Charcoal Grill and Amp Smoker. The Char-Griller charcoal grill is a powerful backyard beast. The 447 square inch cooking surface makes this one of the best large charcoal grills. It's more expensive than a basic charcoal model, but you're paying for temperature control and even cooking. The grill can reach temperatures of 700 degrees to sear big steaks, but can just as easily maintain a cool, smoky 200 degrees for ribs. The adjustable top and bottom dampers give you more control over the heat and smoke. The folding side shelves offer a helping hand when moving food to a serving tray. This large model is designed for those who want absolute power over the heat and smoke, to fine-tune the flavor profile of any grilled food. The Char-Griller E56720 AKORN Kamado Charcoal Grill and Amp Smoker is a great product for those who want to enjoy the flavor of charcoal grilling without all of the hassle. This product is easy to set up and use, and it produces great results every time. The grill is made of durable materials that will last for years, and it comes with a cover that protects the grill from the elements. The Char-Griller E56720 AKORN Kamado Charcoal Grill and Amp Smoker is a great choice for those who want the flavor of charcoal grilling without all of the hassle. Number 3. Our third best pick is Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. If you want the power and ease of a gas grill but the flavor of a charcoal grill, the Weber Deluxe Charcoal Grill is the best of both worlds. The touch ignition uses gas to get coals cooking instantly. The deluxe version also comes with a handy side table that doubles as a charcoal bin for easy access and storage. The shelf underneath adds even more storage space. Plus, it's a fantastic Weber grill made of high-quality materials. Is it worth the extra money to opt for the deluxe model over the basic? If you want easy ignition and extra space, it's money well spent. Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill is the perfect grill for those who want the taste of charcoal without all the hassle. This grill features a touch-and-go gas ignition system that makes lighting the charcoal a breeze. The grill also has a built-in thermometer so you can always cook your food to perfection. The porcelain enameled bowl and lid are durable and easy to clean. With a 22-inch diameter, this grill is perfect for cooking for a crowd. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is FireSense Notebook Charcoal Barbecue Grill 3.5mm Cooking Bars. What can you get for $30? You can get a pretty great tabletop charcoal grill. The FireSense is the best budget charcoal grill, perfect for camping or setting up in a stadium parking lot. The 18-inch by 13-inch by 13-inch portable grill folds up and is easy to carry or stuff in a camping bag. This is a small charcoal grill, so don't expect to feed 50 guests unless they don't mind taking turns. But you can fit 4 burgers on the grill with room left over for veggies and hot dogs. Plus, this mini grill is easy to set up, fill, and light. For being a budget model, the Fire Sense is the best grill for the money. Think the concept of a portable barbecue grill/fire pit is lit? If you're looking for a step up, check out the Front Runner, a more durable/aesthetically oriented option than the Fire Sense thanks to its rust/corrosion-resistant stainless steel design. It packs flat for easy transport and after a quick 30-second setup can be filled with charcoal and/or wood for cooking or keeping warm post-grilling on a chilly night. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Royal Gourmet Deluxe 30-inch Charcoal Grill Backyard Smoker. It looks like a gas grill, but the Royal Gourmet Char-Griller uses charcoal to cook anything on its spacious 764 square inch surface, 511 square inches of cooking space and a 253 square inch warming rack. A side crank raises and lowers the coals for better temperature control. The smokestack makes it easy to keep air circulating without smoking out the chef. Even though it's bigger than others, it's easy to move and maneuver around a backyard. And a charcoal cart grill has more storage options with shelves and side tables ready to support the grill master's tools. This product is the perfect addition to any backyard, as it allows you to cook your food to perfection. The Royal Gourmet CD2030X Deluxe 30-inch charcoal grill backyard smoker outdoor cooking is made with high-quality materials, so you can be sure it will last for years to come. It features a large cooking area, so you can cook multiple items at once, and the temperature can be controlled to ensure your food is cooked perfectly every time. The smoker also has a built-in ashtray, so you can easily clean up after your meal. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.